Hey guys! Oh, I'm just working on a tessellation right now. You know, tessellations are one of my favorite kinds of art to make because they are really simple, but they involve math and measurement and imagination. And the infinite possibilities are infinite. Also, you can be very creative and make them colorful and abstract. This one I'm kind of making into a flower. So, if you want to make a tessellation, it's pretty simple. There's a lot of different shapes that you can use, but the most basic shape is a square. See, there's two different kinds of ways to make square tessellations. The most easy one is a sliding tessellation, and it's where you take a square and you cut from one corner to the opposite corner on that side. When you do that, it kind of comes out to look like this kind of tessellation, where you have the same image kind of repeating in rows. But then, if you have a rotating tessellation, it's when you take a square or a triangle, which we'll get to, and you cut out from corner to corner, but then you take it and rotate it around and then tape it that way. You can do that on this side too. So you would cut something here and rotate it. This is an example of a rotating tessellation. See how it's a little bit different than this sliding tessellation where the geese are just kind of going in rows. And this one, the lizards are rotating around a corner. So there's just some different things you can do. The next shape that you could make a tessellation from is an equilateral triangle. You can kind of see here, I drew the triangle and then I erased it. Then you can also do half of the third side. So here I cut out just another little triangle, and then I rotated that cutout and taped it right here. And then the last shape that you can work with is a hexagon. And it's the same kind of thing. You want to make sure you're paying very close attention with the hexagon, because if you rotate it the wrong way or mix up the sides too much, then it won't tessellate. So there has to be some symmetry to it. And this is an example of an outline of a tessellation I made from a hexagon, and I kind of turned it into a little moth. So this is the tessellation that I'm working on now, but I can show you exactly how I started it.